I'm going to do you a short video on my fridge freezer. I got this fridge freezer about 12 years ago when I moved into my new house. It's Hotpoint. Model number FFA91. It's half and half, half fridge, half freezer. This is ideal, this is what I wanted, half and half. I'm going to show you inside it now. As you can hear the noise, I'm having problems with it at the minute. It seems to be freezing everything. It has done this off and on from about 3 years old. Seems to fix itself, plus I also got it fixed. Had someone out to look at it before, and it works for a couple of years and it starts to go funny again. At the minute it's back to its old business of freezing everything. I'll show you what I mean here, lift out a couple of things. So here's a bottle of water. Frozen. You can see the ice in the freezer in the bottle. Lemonade. Also frozen. Let's see. Yeah, the lettuce has got frozen as well. You can see it's all crumbly bits inside there. Yep, not be able to eat that again. At the top you can see it's stuck with masking tape. That's to keep the top on because it keeps falling off. And I've got my Pyrex jug to keep it on. It's just sitting there with tape on it. Looks quite rare, but it's been like that for years. Literally 9 years it's been like that for. Keep having to stick it back up again. Other things it freezes, I have to keep the milk all over here because it keeps freezing it. Had to buy a new jar of mayonnaise the other day and keep it over at the door because it was frozen, there was bits of ice in it. The jam, it's maybe okay. The wine, it's okay, it's not frozen either. The slur, it's okay at the minute. It hasn't been frozen, but it's really bad. I'm definitely going to have to get a new one now. I think it's just done. Still looks pretty good, but makes terrible noises. I can hear it from upstairs sometimes, making these noises. I'll let you see the freezer as well. It's making quite a lot of noise too. Everything it seems okay. It's maybe over frozen a bit. Let's see, we'll open a drawer. At least it hasn't defrosted anything. It's supposed to be frost free, but sometimes there's ice in it because of whatever's happening with it. It makes it far too cold. Thankfully nothing has been spoiled yet in the freezer, but I've had to throw quite a few things out of the fridge because it's all frozen and ruined. You can hear it again doing the fan thing that it does. I don't know what is up with it, but it's going to need replaced soon. Okay, I hope you liked my review, and any questions, sure, give me a shout. Thank you.